how to turn off people you might know email notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off people you might know email notification settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and here just click people you might know and turn off email, and now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.